Aliens vs. Predator 2. Far Cry. Singularity. Singularity. Homeworld Cataclysm. The Dig. Star Fox 64. Star Fox 64. Destroy all humans, Path of the Furon. Mega Man X. Mega Man X. Beyond Good and Evil. Mega Man. Halo Wars. Gears of War 2. StarCraft Roman 2, Wings of Liberty. StarCraft Roman 2, Wings of Liberty. Halo Combat Evolved. Gears of War. Gears of War. Resistance 2. Resistance 2. Doom Roman 2, Hell on Earth. Crysis. StarCraft Brood War. Star Wars Jedi Knight Roman 2, Jedi Outcast. More Star Wars Jedi Knight Roman 2, Jedi Outcast 961, the best Star Wars video games, 96 of 108 licensed games that actually live up to the source material. Halo Reach. More Halo Reach 137 of 271, the most compelling video game storylines ever, 25 of 177, the best video games of the 2010s, ranked 12 of 57, the best multiplayer games on Xbox Game Pass. Metroid Prime. Deus Ex Human Revolution. BioShock 2. XCOM Enemy Unknown. Borderlands 2. More Borderlands 2, list of all Borderlands 2 characters, ranked 28 of 354, the greatest RPG video games ever made. Fallout. More Fallout fan theories that somehow make the franchise even creepier, the creepiest storylines in Fallout. Super Metroid. Half-Life 2 Episode 2. Fallout 4. More Fallout 4, 48 of 465, the most addictive video games of all time, 19 of 177, the best video games of the 2010s, ranked. Metroid. Doom. Dead Space 2. Dead Space 2, BioShock Infinite, Portal, Mass Effect 2, StarCraft, Halo 3, Dead Space, Halo 2, BioShock, Half-Life, Mass Effect 3, Half-Life 2, Mass Effect.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.